Welcome to this video on SnapLogic Monitor. Monitor provides visibility into the activities in your SnapLogic environment. In this video, we'll briefly review the Analyze pages in Monitor, starting with the Asset Catalog. The Asset Catalog displays details for tasks, pipelines, and accounts, capturing metadata that isn't available elsewhere. It shows the relationships between the assets and offers convenient navigation to referenced and related assets. You can also add custom metadata. Let's click a task to view its details and navigate to related assets. From the details, you can open the task in Project Manager, view its executions on the Monitor Pipeline Executions page, or open the related pipeline in Designer. Next, we'll take a look at the Pipelines tab. The Pipelines tab provides a quick look at pipelines. Just like on the Task tab, click a pipeline to view its details and navigate to its associated task and accounts. The Accounts tab has the same drill-down capabilities. We'll move on to the Insights page. The Insights page updates once a day. It gives you visibility into your SnapLogic environment activities at a glance. The header summarizes assets and activities in the environment, by default, for the last 7 days. The charts enable you to visualize pipeline and Snap executions and the number of documents processed by task type. This example shows scheduled and ultra tasks. Next, we'll move on to the Pipeline Executions page. This page displays a table of running pipelines at the top and an execution history table below. The default view shows child executions nested under their parent. We could click this caret to expand the Expression Pipeline Copy pipeline and view child pipelines. Instead, we'll click the row itself to view the execution details. In the Details panel, the Children tab shows child executions. This example only has one. If there were nested children, we could click the Child Pipeline row and drill down the hierarchy. When troubleshooting, it's helpful to look at the execution history, the second table on the Pipeline Executions page. We'll access it from the link. By default, the execution history table is filtered by the completed executions. These can be completed successfully or completed with errors. Simply click Errors or Stopped to find and see the details of executions with those statuses. Next, we'll move on to the Infrastructure page. The default infrastructure view shows all Snaplexes with active nodes in your environment. Color-coded bars and carets show each node's memory, CPU, and disk space usage at a glance. Hover over a node to view the usage values. Click a Snaplex to view its details. The Node List tab shows active and inactive nodes. You can also access alerts and activity logs from the other tabs if they exist. Click a node to view its details. The information available includes metrics, in-progress requests, alerts, and additional details. Use these buttons to toggle between the graph view and table view of Snaplexes or nodes. This is the Snaplex table view. You can click a Snaplex row to view the same details panel that we saw from the graph view. Here's the node table view. Let's move on to the metrics page. First, we select a node. Metric charts plot node resource usage over time and provide data that isn't available in the infrastructure view. They include file descriptor use, active threads, and network traffic. Let's change the time period for the metrics graphs to the last day. Now let's maximize a chart. We notice a spike in CPU use. Let's click and drag to zoom in. This opens a table of executions during that time period. We can see that this pipeline failed multiple times. From this view, we could investigate in two different ways. We could open the failed executions in the Pipeline Executions page and view the details to see which snap failed. Or we could click the pipeline name to open it in Designer. Finally, let's briefly review the Monitor pages that help you analyze activities in your environment. The Asset Catalog displays metadata for tasks, pipelines, and accounts. You can easily view and navigate the relationships between them. The Insights page summarizes environment assets and activities. The Pipeline Executions page shows currently running and completed pipelines and allows you to drill down and view information about individual Snap executions. The Infrastructure view allows you to analyze the health of Snaplexes and their nodes. Metrics charts plot usage over time. This concludes our brief tour of Monitor's pages for environment analysis. Thanks for watching.